Adam, Eretz, Elohim, Av, El, Bain, Bayit, Devar, Yom, Yisrael, Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim, Adonai, Mitzrayim, Moshe, Melech, Sus, Eved, Paro, Shana, Shem, Adonai, Adon, Ach, Achim, Ish, Unashim, Isha, Nashim, Bat, Banot, Goy, Derech, Har, Harim, Kohen, Lev, Levav, Mayim, Nefesh, Navi, Sefer, Ayin, Enayim, Ir, Arim, Tzava, Tzavaot, Kol, Rosh, Torah. Eish, Echal, V, Zahav, Cherev, Chai, Chayim, Yelid, Yam, Yamim, Kesef, Ko, Makom, Mishpat, Mizbeach, Naum, Olam, Anan, Ruach, Sar, Sha'ar, Shamayim, Achar, Acharei, 8. El, Bain, Uvain, Batoch, Tavech, Chokma, K, Kol, Kol, Livnei, El, Lama'an, Min, Ma'al, Mima'al, Mitzvah, Mitzvot, Ad, Al, Aldavar, Peh, Zadeh, Tachat, Echad, Gadol, Dal, Zakain with a kuf, Chakam, Tov with a tet, Yafeh, Yashar, Cain with a kaf, Lachain, Alkain, Ma'od, Ma'at, Atah with an ayin, Tzaddik, Kodesh with a kuf, Kadosh, Katon, Karov, Kashet, Rachok, Rav, Ra with an ayin, Rasha, Shir,